Hi, welcome to the Confluence Agent by GenAI Protos. You can start by placing your OpenAI key, save configuration, and connect. This will take you to the permissions page. These are all the permissions required for us to interact with your Confluence documents. Click on Accept. While this is loading in the background, we're saving all your documents into Pinecone Vector Store so that they can be searched through later. This will take you to the chat interface. This is a completely conversational agent and it has access to all of our documents. So the response provides us with a list of documents and the spaces they belong to. It also provides the links to those documents. For example, we clicked on the lorem ipsum document and it took us to that document. So now let's say we want to create a new document. So it's asking us for a title and topic of that document. And now it's asking us permission to search the web. Okay, go ahead. So now, using the web search tool, it has drafted a document for us and it is asking if we'd like to make any changes to the document. For now, it looks good, so let's have it create the document for us. So now, Oracle has correctly decided to use the Create Confluence document tool, which will create the document in Confluence using the draft that we just created. Okay, so it has successfully created a document by the name DeepSeek AI. Let's head over to Confluence and take a look. DeepSeek AI, and this is the content the LLM came up with. We can even ask it to rename documents. Let's find the document that we'd like to change. As you can see, it has provided us the link and the name of the document. We can now change the document's name to something else. So it has successfully changed the name of our document for us. Let's head over to Confluence and verify. This was the previous document, and now it's the same document but with a different title. We can even add to the content of this document. Okay, it's asking us what content we'd like to add to the document. So let's go ahead and provide a topic. It is now asking us permission to do a web search so that it can gather the current information. So it has added this content to our document. Let's head over to Confluence and take a look. And this is the new content that has been appended. We can also delete specific documents using this Confluence agent. Let's say we want to delete this document by the name Exploring DeepSeek. So let's head back over to our chat interface. Let's suppose we don't quite know the name of our document, but we do have an idea of its contents. So let's start searching for it. Okay, so let's delete the second document. So it has successfully deleted the document for us. We can check it out in Confluence. Let's reload this page. And the document is no longer here. This has been the Confluence agent by GenAI Protos.